I know to make something with black.
With black? You like black.
I'm going to make something here.
Good. You're doing very good shapes, Luca.
Daddy.
That's a really good shape. Now, can you color it? Color it. Use another color. Use another color.
Hey, Sister's drawing
It's okay. It's okay. Sister's being creative. Sister, draw around Luca.
No.
No? Okay.
Sister.
Luca, can you finish that heart outline? Put all around the heart.
No.
Sister, draw around the heart, sweetheart.
Daddy, I'm going to make something else with ball. What? It's going to be right here. You know what's going to be? Going to be
What's it going to be?
a McDonald.
Good job.
It's a street. It's a street. It's a street.
The street?
Daddy,
Is it
here.
the street or the freeway?
The street.
Okay, good boy.
That is.
You see? You see? We can see the birthday card. Luca's got a cough today. Your turn.
Yeah.
All right, let's finish doing the card. Are we all done?
Yeah, we are done.
Let's open it up and see. Wow! Are we all done inside? Nothing else?
Nothing else.
Okay.
The body.
Yeah, let's look at the body. Bless you. Bless you. Poor Luca didn't sleep. Because he ate a sticker. Why did you eat the sticker yesterday, Luca?
I don't know.
What happened?
No.
Oh.
Maybe on the hot cereal.
Okay. Let's have cereal. Good job, sister.